In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and recover archived lists in Trello, a task that can seem a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the platform's interface. But don't worry, we'll take it step by step, ensuring you're confidently navigating Trello to find and restore your archived lists. First, you'll need to head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, look for the login button on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. If you already have a Trello account, this is where you'll sign in. You can log in using your email, or if you prefer, you can use your Google account, which is a convenient option that many users find helpful. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello homepage. From here, you need to navigate to your boards. It's important to head to the area titled Your Workspaces, which contains all the boards you've created or have been invited to. Go ahead and select the board that contains the archived list you're looking to recover. When you've got your board open, look for the three dots icon, usually located at the top right of the screen. This is the menu button, and clicking it will open up a variety of options for managing your board. In the menu, search for the section labelled Archived Items. This is where Trello stores lists and cards that have been archived. Click on the Archived Items option. Here you'll see both archived cards and lists. If you're specifically looking for archived lists, you'll need to switch the view. Look for the Switch to Lists option and click it. This will filter the archived items to show only the lists that were archived. Now when you find the list you want to recover, you'll notice an option next to it that says Send to Board. Click on this and Trello will restore the list to its original location on your board. This makes it accessible once again, just like it was before archiving. To wrap up, after retrieving your list, you can close the menu by clicking on the icon or option that allows you to exit out. And just like that, you've successfully navigated Trello's interface to find and recover that important archived list. Hopefully these steps have made the process much clearer. Stay tuned for more Trello tips and tricks to keep your boards organized and efficient.